I need to call it the Beyonce wig. That's what I'm feeling like. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. Okay. Giving you body, giving you what's need to be needed, honey. Give me Beyonce circa 2001, honey. That's what I'm giving you today, baby. Yes. So this wig is from LuvMeHair. Their Instagram is @LuvMeHair. Their website is LuvMeHair.com. So let's get into the details, honey. Like, yes. I don't know if this light is giving me justice, but it needs to be given what needs to be gave, baby. So, so we have the Balayage Light Ash Brown Glueless T-Part Simple Wig. That's what that's called. That's a mouthful. That's what she said. So, right, so when you go on the website, there's a lot of lace wigs, undetectable lace, HD lace, Swiss lace. This one is just the T-part. So it's the 13, and then this part, I think this is 5. Don't give me the lie. I'm not really sure, but it's no parting space. So the T-part wigs, the simplest T-part, the simple glueless T-part simple lace wig is a 1 inch of parting space, 1 inch of lace. I'm sorry. There's 1 inch of lace right here. Not much to work with. And then you just have, boom, like basically this much area for your middle part. So they give you the option to do a side part or a middle part or loose wave or straight. So I chose the middle part and the loose wave, okay? So this is the loose wave. It's 18 inches and that's about right. So 18 inches. It's 180 density, honey. So that's why this one is giving me all types of life, baby. Yes, yes. So yes, it is 180 density. It came pre-plucked, but I know I plucked it some more, and I also put makeup on the lace because I didn't feel like bleaching knots. I'm not doing all that. So that's what we did there. So that's what we did. I didn't really do that much to it. It kind of looks crazy, but as in a rush. But we didn't really do that much to it. I curled the front a little bit more to give me, you know, a little bit more like a little more volume. You know what I mean? A little more volume. Yeah, so it's 18 inches. So yeah. All right, so let's talk about the shipping. So their company ships very, very fast, okay? So I don't know about any hair companies, like when you order, it's like a week for process and all this other stuff. That's not with LuvMeHair. LuvMeHair literally took like 2 to 3 days for shipping during a pandemic. That's what I'm talking about. Like, that's what I'm talking about. Even through a pandemic, this came in 2 to 3 business days, y'all. I kid you not. And this is my second time ordering from the company. So my first wig got here in 2 to 3 days, and this wig got here in 2 to 3 days. So check your mama, not me. So that's awesome. They're very they have great communication. I talk to them mainly on Instagram, you know, regarding like my order or anything like that, but you can contact them on their email. But I don't really have anything to say that's negative about the hair. This is straight out the box, so a little customization to it, and it's straightforward, honey. Like the Balayage Light Ash, and they didn't freaking fuck up the color. Like, the color is there, baby. Like, do you see the color? Like, do you see her? Like, this is so cute. I love it. I never tried this color before. Like, it's so cute. So let's get into this. Do I recommend this wig? I recommend this wig, yes, if you are familiar with a T-part wig. Don't think you're getting a whole bunch of parting space. Don't think that you're going to be plucking as much as you can. You can't, because it's only a little bit of lace right here, and you can pluck as much as you want. What I found was easy was to, you know, hot spray, glue or whatever, spray. I use this, but spray the lace down, cut the lace all the way off to the end, you know, and take your baby hairs, pluck that going up so you can see the demarcation of the hairline. So that would be a little easier to do with a T-part. Like, mine's looking kind of fucked up. You know, you can tell I was being lazy, but yeah, other than that, this wig is amazing. I love it. And so yeah. Hey guys, so I decided to enter clips of what I've received inside the box. So you get a headband, edge brush, hairpin, elastic band, bobby pins, and a wig cap, and some lashes. Yes, girl, and the wig. And also a hair tip guide. Yes, and here's the wig right out of the box, honey. Yes, child. So here you see me just cutting off the lace, cutting off the ear tab, cutting it in half. I like to start in sections, using Got2b glue and a hair dryer to melt my lace down. And here I am plucking the hairline to get a demarcation of the hair.
I want to talk to you.
So that's what I was meaning by plucking the hairline and moving the baby hairs forward, so you get a better idea of what you're looking for.
I still love you.
Okay, so here you're getting a better look at how close I'm plucking the hairline, pulling the baby hairs down and just plucking away. And here's a final look. Thank you guys for watching and listening. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.